Good morning, a new day on the farm, and today I hopefully can start with some other things except for house renovation. We got a little fridge for the time being until the kitchen comes, and a little stove oven combination that we'll put right here. And I will carry up some furniture and boxes here now in the morning hours, and then in the afternoon I will start to prepare an office room down in the basement. What are you drinking?
Coffee.
Coffee? How old are you?
8.
8. Okay. Oh, can you do the little drummer boy? It is starting to take shape in here, creating some room. It's actually a nice and big kitchen here. Just carried in these 2 shelves and that cupboard. Here we have the room for the little ones, and just put that cupboard in. You got your dolls?
Yeah,
What's
Lucy.
Lucy,
and you gave it to me when I was a baby. You and Mama.
What's that? I'm just putting in a wall here and a door right here so that we'll have an office building. We just want the office so we can sit down here. The workers that will come in can take breaks when they build the house and some other things, where we can plan the next projects and next weeks here. Just have it a little separate from the rest of the garage. So right now I'm just putting in 2x2s and then OSB, real simple. Wall doesn't have to hold anything. It's probably not going to be insulated. If we can always insulate it with styrofoam, 50 millimeters, and it's going to be great. Plenty for what we need it for. Here you go.
Ellie and I just finished cleaning her room. She helped a lot. She wanted help because there was a lot of new things that we brought in today. She needed some help organizing and finding
Stuff where to go,
good
and
spots.
yeah, and we put the carpet down.
Her rug. She was really excited to see this again.
Yes, and yeah, like I showed you, we have a bunk bed, and
A nice new rug.
yeah, that rug was from Sarah, my aunt, and it used to be hers. Was it when she was little?
I guess.
Yeah.
So I got way more done today than I expected. I cleaned the luggage that had gotten flooded, and I got so much stuff put away and organized, and Simeon got the final baseboards and everything finished today. He started building on the garage. Yeah, now we just want to get some fresh air. I want to be out here in the fresh air and the sunshine for a few minutes, because as soon as I walk in the door, there's plenty more that I could be doing and should be doing. Curious to see how far Simeon has come on the room. This is the room in our garage, that's going to be an office. This is day 2 since you started, and it goes really quickly. So let's go check it out.
Room is done. We have a little whiteboard up on the wall.
With a smiley face already, I see.
Yeah, I had to test if it works. Yeah. And
Your awesome door handle.
door is done. Well, super simple.
Yeah.
Calendar for 2021. We'll see if we,
here.
yeah, we'll see if we will paint the walls or not. But otherwise, it will go here. We'll put a table and bench in here as well, so we can work some on there. It worked a lot easier, went a lot easier, went a lot faster than I thought, but sometimes it's good to have that when things go more smoothly than you anticipate. Yeah, and we'll see if we want to keep this room warm-ish, then we'll just put 50mm styrofoam here and close it up with OSB on the side as well, no problem. After a really fulfilling and long day, we are now here and treating ourselves to a really nice dinner. Some pork from a local farm here, which is very exciting. And just gonna let the evening, you know, end calm and nice and fun, and take it easy and go into the weekend. I hope you guys have a really good weekend as well, and see you next week in our next videos. Bye bye.